there is this shop here called Atomjo. Actually, they are selling some juice here. As you can see, there are some bananas and some apples. So I want to buy something. I need I think they have different, this is their menu actually. They have muzlu soup, that's banana mixed with milk. So I think I will take this one. They have different ones actually. So I will take banana mixed milk. She, I want this one. There's some customers here and they're actually fast attending to them. So let's wait and see. Actually, this place is one of the best places here in Gaziantep. They have their branches in different places here. So they actually offer drinks always. This is Atomju here in Gaziantep. So I will be taking, mine will be this one actually. That is banana milkshake. So let's wait as they are going to make it for us. I need this one. Yeah, banana milkshake. No, the first one. This one. Yeah. 1 cup. It's actually for 25. That is it. This is the banana milkshake. So this is actually the milkshake. We are going to take it right now and let's go. Let's have the first test. Actually, this is banana mixed with milk and there's something on top of it here. This thing actually, I don't know it, but it tastes very nice. This is actually very good for health. Yeah, like it. This is from Atomju, one of the best juice selling center here in Gaziantep actually. I mostly enjoy their products, you understand? So let's finish this and we go. I like this brand. So nice. Take your time and visit Gaziantep. This place is actually the best place, man. Here you can have a lot of things. There are a lot of things here and they're just cheap, not too expensive. And Gaziantep is actually like one of the cheapest, I can say it's the cheapest city in Turkey. You understand? Here, food and everything, they're just like kind of cheap, not too expensive. Understand? This one here actually costs like 25 Turkish lira. And it's very nice. That's very good for health. If you want to live healthy, you have to take things that will keep you healthy always. Understand? So that's it here in Gaziantep. Oh man.
Aşağıda camın arkasındaki sokak.
Done. We're finished with this, so let's go and pay the money and we go. Teşekkür ederim abi. Ne kadar?
25.
25. Let me give them. Beş lira var. Okay, thank you so much.